In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse double clicking on single click. First, in your PC, head over to Start menu and search for Device Manager and open it up. Now, once inside, look for mice and other pointing devices and expand it. Now, all you have to do is right click on your mouse device and press uninstall device. And if you have multiple mouse device, do the same thing and uninstall it as well. Then next, try unplugging your mouse device from your PC and plug it once again. Then next, head back to Start menu once again and this time search for mouse settings and open it up. So now from here, scroll down and go to additional mouse settings. And from this small window, look for double click speed and try reducing it for around 3 or 4. Then press apply. Then next, switch to pointer options tab. And here, make sure that you uncheck enhance pointer precision. Then press apply. Then OK. Now head over to File Explorer and click on this three dot icon and press Options. And here you can opt for single click to open an item, then press Apply, then OK. If none of those fixes work, it might actually be a hardware issue. Make sure that your mouse device is not broken or is not experiencing any hardware issue. Check if the cord of your wired mouse is not broken or that your mouse is clean from any debris or dust inside and try cleaning them up. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!